Okay, so today we're gonna unbox my second Tomytec, which is the T-Spec GTR 2024 model in Millennium Jade, which is, well, very nice looking actually. And it's a new car. Yes, it's 2024. It's a very new model. My first ever Tomytec was this, the NSX Tomytec, and it can open the engine bay too, which is pretty cool. And it has suspension. It's not travel that much, but it has suspension, as you can see right over here. And the level of detail is cool. Wow, it's just amazing. I mean, look at it. But today we're gonna focusing on this, my new Tomytec, and it's magnificent online. Let us see how it's stuck up in real life. So let me put my camera down here and let's just unbox this magnificent Tomytec, my second one. Right, let us go. Okay, so right off the bat you can see the box is like this. Right, so it have this spec in here, or the spec 107, quite bloody heavy, 3.8 liter V6, put out what is 570 horsepower, but that. And look at the quality. Oh my god, it does look magnificent. You have to stand in real life to actually see how good it is. Okay, so I don't think there's any opening with this, but I think it's okay. I mean, it's okay, I guess. Right, where the hell is it at? Where to open it? Oh, right, I cannot open it with my one hand because I'm holding the bloody box. I mean the bloody camera now. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna have to put it down here. Right, let us unbox this magnificent right over here. Okay. Oh, yes, there you go. That's got it. Right, let's take it out, boys. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh. Okay, that's nice. There's even a little thing there. Pretty nice of them. Let's put that together again. And let us look at that. Alright, I'm gonna put that there. Let us inspect the car. Okay, first off, suspension. It have suspension. Just like all Tomicas, it have suspension. And the interior, as you can see right over here, is in this blue finish, which is the exact spec in real life too. I don't think you can really see inside there, but let me zoom in. Look at the detail in the interior. Oh my god, look at that. Right, the paint is really nice. It's Millennium Jade, but it's in this metallic finish, which is really nice. And we have bronze wheels and yellow brake calipers, just like the real life T-Spec. And we have a sticking out number plate too. That's interesting. And obviously working suspension. It has suspension. And at the rear end, look at that, the quad tailpipe and quad tail light. And the spoiler is a bit longer. I think it's a bit, yes, it is a bit longer than the normal GTR because it's the T-Spec, and it have a lot of stuff from the Nismo too. Like, for example, the brakes is from the Nismo, made in China, 1/64 scale obviously. And it's not much underneath here actually, but so you cannot open anything, but that's okay because it's an R35 GTR. End of detail, especially the headlight. I really do like this detail on the headlight. Look at that, it does look magnificent right over there. You can see the bolts, and wow, it's just detail. Little GTR logo right over there. And I would like to have a number plate, but it's okay. The wheels, when it moves, the caliper is still stay inside, which is really nice. Obviously, this bike is magnificent. It's just so good. I'm just staring at it right now. Oh, you can see the rear seat too. That's cool. You cannot really see the rear window because it's blacked out. But you can see the rear seat, right? Oh, actually, it's not blacked out. You can see it, but it's not really nice. It's not. Okay, let's see the steering wheel. Let's see the steering wheel. Oh yeah, you can see the shape of the steering wheel and the shape of the air vent, as well as the infotainment system and the shifter right over there, and the manual handbrake. Oh my god, this is so cool. And the best part for me about this car is obviously the paint color and the wheels. It's just so good. Millennium Jade in and bronze wheel. I've always liked this T-Spec one, and here it is. It's never disappoint me, the Tomytec. It's so detailed though. You have to actually touch at it. Oh yes, and there's mirror, as you can see, and the mirror also have a little detail in there. It's not a reflector obviously, but it has some detail in it. The handle and the vents is also very accurate. What else? Yeah, that's that basically. Suspension. Remember, there is suspension on your Tomytec, so please check it out. A lot of people don't even know that you can press the suspension down, but right, the wheels, it's so accurately sized too. I like it. I really do like it a lot. I think it's worth it. It's really worth it. And please buy it now because it's at a low price. It's gonna increase the price as soon as the car get older. So this is the new model, so it's pretty decently priced for now. But 2 months later, it's gonna be insanely up in price for some reason, inflated in price basically. Or yes, obviously you can see the T-Spec logo right over there. Cannot really zoom in, but yes, there we go. GTR T-Spec. It's magnificent. Please check it out. It's so good. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.